In this lesson, guys, I will show you how to navigate in the viewport. So if you hold Alt on the keyboard and left mouse click and drag, you tumble the camera or you rotate the camera. If you hold the Alt again and middle mouse click, you are tracking the camera or you are moving the camera. Okay? And if you hold Alt on the keyboard again and right mouse click and drag, you are zoom in and zoom out. If you hold space and H, you are framing the camera. If you select anything in the viewport and hold again space and G, I am framing the selected object. Okay? So if I selected, for example, this control and then holding space and G, I framed the camera to the selected object. Or you can hold space and H2 to frame all the character. Okay? And if you hold space and B on the keyboard, you split the viewport to 4 views. Okay, so this is the perspective view, and this is the top view, and this is the front, and this is the right. Okay, if you see here written right, and this is front and this is top. If you hover the mouse on the top view and hold space and B, now I am inside the top view. If I again hold space and B, now I am outside the top view. And now if I hover the mouse again to the front view, hold space and B, now I am inside the front view. The same thing is here. If you hold Alt on the keyboard and middle mouse click and drag, you are moving the camera, and right mouse click and drag, you are zoom in, zoom out. Of course, you cannot rotate the camera because we are in the front. So if I hold Alt and left mouse click, nothing happens. Okay, so again I will hold space and B, and now I am seeing the 4 views. So I will go back to the perspective view by holding space and B, and now I am in the perspective view. You will see all these shortcuts written in the description. So see you in the next lesson.